Good morning and welcome to the 2021 school year. This is not the convocation we all thought we'd be having, especially last year. But to quote one of my favorite protagonists in one of my favorite books, the first book I ever read, is that we don't choose the times we live in, but we do get to choose how we live in those times. And here we are. I've been thinking deeply about where we are and what place we stand and what are our students going to say to us about us 50 years from now. And I am so thankful that I get to work with all the professionals in the district, our leadership, our support staff. If we're going to be in these times and we're going to make the choices we need to, you are the people I want to make the choices with. As we roll into the year, here's our priorities: safety, health, and providing the education that our students have missed in the last 6 months. These last 6 months have been disjointed, troubling, hopeful, but if we're going to be in school and we're going to have a locus of control around our students, we do have to step into the year focused on how are we going to manage instruction during a pandemic. And so I'm asking all the professionals, and we're requiring all the professionals to have a mask and a face covering or goggles. I'm going to be the goggles guy when students are present. We know that's an effective way of limiting transmission. So far with our athletics programs in place and starting, we've had no internal transmissions amongst our athletes or our coaches, though we have had COVID-19 cases. Our goal is to have no internal transmissions this school year, and that if we do shut down, it will be because of community spread and not spread into school. That will allow us to focus on our students. We are focusing in on each child. We need to focus on what our children need to learn. We need to focus in on what our children have learned and need to focus on what they're going to learn this year. To do that, we have Schoology. Let's be honest, right now Schoology is still in the Arkansas Department of Education's hands. They're trying to fill in eSchool. We will not start school with Schoology not ready. Given that, it is an amazing platform. You will be able to teach students in front of you and at home on the AB schedule. You will be able to teach students digitally, be able to engage all the curriculum in front of you, be able to do small group instruction. We'll be able to reach our young people at a level of DOK 2 and 3, which we weren't able to do last spring. We also expect that our big rocks are going to be very much embedded in our instruction. AVID, PBIS, small group instruction within Schoology, maybe not physically, but digitally, and PLCs. We're going to count on each other to become the professionals that our students need us to be. You know, I've spent 3 weeks in federal court, and I've heard the district and its history. I've heard its results. We can be that district, that group of professionals that change the lives of our students, that overcomes our past. But we have to do it together. You know, I don't want to continue on without saying this. We are all anxious. We all have fears. But we can't let fear be the soul killer. We have to trust each other to work together. We will all make mistakes, but we're going to count on each other to correct those mistakes and to continue to, once again, focus on our students and what they need to learn. You will see me in schools. You'll see our team in schools. I will have, again, my goggles and my mask. But what we need to do is to be the professionals our community deserves, because we are those professionals. Have a great morning and a great rest of the week. Thank you so much.